Ever tried working on the go with a bulky, unreliable mouse that ruins your flow? Today, I'm breaking down the top 6 best mouse for traveling that are compact, comfortable, and built for life on the move. Welcome back to the channel. Check the links in the description to grab the best pick for your travel setup. At number 6 is SUNGI Bluetooth Mouse. What if your travel workflow could feel effortless instead of clunky and stressful? The SUNGI Bluetooth Mouse transforms on-the-go productivity with a sleek, ultra-thin design that fits perfectly in any laptop bag, making it a strong contender among the top 6 best mouse for traveling. Tested for real-world comfort, its silent clicks reduce distractions up to 80%, giving peace of mind whether you are in a library, cafe, or on a flight. The built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, fully charging in 2 to 4 hours, and lasting 5 to 7 weeks, eliminates constant battery swapping. Adjustable DPI from 800 to 1600 ensures precise cursor control for coding or creative tasks. Compared with others, it balances portability, reliability, and comfort at just $13.98, making it a smart, practical choice for travelers who value efficiency, quiet focus, and easy connectivity across multiple devices. On number 5 is HP X3000 G3 wireless mouse. What if a small accessory could completely transform your travel productivity? The HP X3000 G3 wireless mouse is crafted for travelers seeking comfort and reliability, making it a top contender among the top 6 best mouse for traveling. Tested for real-world comfort, its contoured design supports either hand, reducing fatigue during long hours on the road. The 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity keeps you seamlessly connected up to 30 feet, while the integrated USB-A nano receiver stores conveniently inside, eliminating clutter. Its 1600 dots per inch optical sensor ensures precise cursor control across multiple surfaces, giving you confidence in any setting. Compared with others, it balances portability, accuracy, and long-lasting power, running up to 15 months on a single AA battery at just $10.99, making it a smart, practical choice for travelers who demand efficiency, comfort, and peace of mind. At number 4 is Dell MS700 Bluetooth Travel Mouse. What if your travel productivity could feel effortless without carrying bulky gadgets? The Dell MS700 Bluetooth Travel Mouse redefines convenience, making it a standout among the top 6 best mouse for traveling. Tested for real-world comfort, its slim, lightweight design at 56.9 grams fits perfectly in any bag, giving instant relief for on-the-go work. The twistable design allows easy stowing and turning off, saving both space and battery life. With Bluetooth 5.0, you can connect up to 3 devices and switch seamlessly, while the adjustable 4000 dots per inch sensitivity ensures precise control for any task. Compared with others, it perfectly balances portability, precision, and smart functionality at just $39.99, making it a safe, practical choice for travelers who demand comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind wherever they work. On number 3 is TECKNET Folding Wireless Mouse. What if a mouse could completely transform your travel workflow without taking up space? The TECKNET Folding Wireless Mouse delivers exactly that, making it a standout among the top 6 best mouse for traveling. Tested for real-world comfort, its ergonomic foldable design with soft rubber grips fits naturally in either hand, giving relief during long on-the-go work sessions. The 3 adjustable DPI levels from 1000 to 2000 provide precise control for different tasks, while the built-in USB nano receiver and plug-and-play setup offer instant connectivity. Compared with others, it balances portability, durability, and long battery life up to 24 months, powered by 2 AAA batteries at just $15.99. For travelers who value smart efficiency, comfort, and peace of mind, this mouse is a reliable, practical choice that keeps productivity smooth wherever you go. At number 2 is VssoPlor Wireless Mouse. What if a simple mouse could completely change the way you work while traveling? The VssoPlor Wireless Mouse delivers this effortlessly, making it a standout among the top 6 best mouse for traveling. Tested for real-world comfort, its compact, ergonomic design fits naturally in your hand, reducing strain during long trips. The 2.4 GHz wireless connection ensures a stable, reliable link up to 10 meters, while high DPI tracking glides smoothly across most surfaces. Intelligent sleep mode extends battery life, giving peace of mind for extended travel use, and quiet, sensitive clicks keep you focused focused without disturbing others. Compared with others, it balances portability, reliability, and affordability at just $9.98. For travelers seeking comfort, efficiency, and smart functionality, this mouse is a practical, worry-free choice that keeps productivity seamless wherever you go. Now moving to the last one is TECKNET wireless mouse. What if a small, affordable mouse could completely change your travel productivity? The TECKNET wireless mouse delivers exactly that, making it a strong contender among the top 6 best mouse for traveling. Tested for real-world comfort, its compact design measuring 4.09 by 2.68 by 1.49 inches fits effortlessly in any bag, while the ergonomic shape with rubber side grips ensures lasting comfort during long sessions on the go. With 5 adjustable DPI levels from 800 to 2,600 dots per inch, cursor control stays precise on most surfaces, and plug-and-play USB-A connectivity works seamlessly up to 49 feet. Compared with others, it combines portability, reliability, and longevity with up to 24 months battery life at just $9.99, making it a smart, practical choice for travelers seeking comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind wherever they work. The winner is Dell MS700 Bluetooth Travel Mouse. You should buy the Dell MS700 Bluetooth Travel Mouse because it perfectly balances portability, precision, and versatility for travelers. Its slim, lightweight design at 56.9 grams fits effortlessly in any bag, while Bluetooth 5.0 allows connection to up to 3 devices seamlessly. Adjustable 4,000 dots per inch sensitivity ensures precise control, and the twistable, stowable design saves space and battery life. At $39.99, it's a smart, reliable, and efficient choice for anyone seeking comfort, productivity, and peace of mind on the go. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best mouse for traveling. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you!